So welcome back to UFOs Above Us. We're going to do a quick eclipse video. Now, unfortunately, because of the way the moon was situated in the sky, trees in front of the moon can be a artistic look. However, this eclipse, it was not artistic at all. By the time the eclipse was over, the moon was almost dropped to the horizon and it was getting light outside. So the eclipse, I had two cameras set up, was really excited, and it was kind of a bust for me. But I did capture one image during the kind of the middle of the eclipse, and I saw something unusual in that image, and here it is. So we're going to blow this up, tweak the contrast and things, and just let you take a look at that for yourselves, and tell me what you think in the comments. Now, I've drawn a conclusion about this after studying it for about an hour, but I don't want to lead you to your own conclusions. I want to let you, be objective and see what you see. I'm not crazy about what I see in this image. It kind of bothers me, but maybe you'll see something totally different. So as we look here, I'm just kind of tweaking I'm trying to adjust the contrast, the brightness. It's too much. I don't want it to pixelate too much, but I also want to have enough brightness to see the object clearer. So I'm going to try to find a happy medium. This is pretty close, so I think we'll go with that for now. And I'll probably adjust it one more time at the end. But as I zoom in on this image, I want you to look at the full image, and I see three objects. I see the one big thing in the center. Adjust that real quick. But I see two other little objects in this that aren't pixelation. Now in the lower left here, I think these are just pixelation, this weird color there. But that's an object, that's an object. And then of course this main thing is what caught my attention and is unusual to say the least. So before we get into the main object, let's just look at these real quickly. Here's a little object, and it's, there's like a square with a circle inside it and these two dots underneath it. Okay, it's something, but I don't get too excited about that. I see so many things in the sky now that really doesn't do much for me. I do see a little bit of a shape in that circle, but that's just me. And then this one even less excited because there's quite a bit of pixelation in there. So there's something there. I don't think it's just pixelation. And I know YouTube kind of dumbs down the image somewhat when I upload, but hopefully you'll at least see there's probably something there. But this is the main thing. And I want everyone to take a minute here and just look at this object, think about it, and what do you see here? Like I said, after I spent quite a bit of time studying this, I don't really like it. I don't like it, but maybe it looks totally different to you. So what do you see in the image? There's only a couple things that I will point out because they are, factual. And as a scientist, I try to be real objective here. But as I'm looking at that object, I do see this circular protrusion right here coming off the side of that big blob and one corresponding on the other side. Other than that, I'll let you draw your conclusions on what that is, what it's doing, what it might be. Interesting object, and it's the one thing that really caught my attention about that eclipse. So let's take one more look at it here as we wrap up. And this is Matt at UFOs Above Us reminding everyone as we close, keep watching the skies. You never know what you're going to see, and the answers really are up there.